Go ahead. What are you doing?
I'm on a Zerbo.
What kind of Zerbo is it?
It's silly.
Let me see the case. Show it to the camera. Well, not that close. Back up. Ooh, military. Let's see what's in there.
Dad, like Brennan, got this.
Ooh, you can make a cool army setup, huh? Military setup?
Yep. Me too. And I got this big Aiden.
Oh, awesome, dude.
No. Oh yeah. Me too.
Okay. Go, Brennan. Go next to your brother. Go. Show the camera. Right there. Let me see. What kind is that?
Target me for double.
Okay.
He know how to open it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh. I'm gonna get another Uga. That bee's not awesome.
Which one is it?
Yellow laser!
Oh, let me see. Show the camera. Show the camera. Put it down. Let me see. That's awesome. Are you excited? Are you happy? Brennan, are you happy? Yeah. Are you happy, Christian?
I like when this is the same guy like Aiden.
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna do that again.